Hey there, it's Tracy. I have a product review for you today. Now these are the Essential Stencils. These are wood sign stencils, and I did receive the product to try out and give you my honest review. Each stencil is made from a 12 mil semi-transparent mylar, which is strong and lightweight plastic. They are reusable, washable, flexible, and strong, and they can be used over and over again. And so I am going to show you each one of these stencils individually. This one, these three come in a set. This one is Gather. This one is Welcome. So cute. I tell you, the farmhouse look is all the rage right now. And speaking of farmhouse, this little farmhouse stencil would be so cute to paint on a sign. These are included in a different kit, and the first one here is Blessed. At the very end of the video, I will show you a project that I did using this stencil. This one says Thankful, and I can just see so many Thanksgiving projects with this stencil. And the last one says Grateful. I can also see so many projects with this stencil. Now I am going to make a project using the Blessed stencil. I'm using this Waverly black chalk paint and a stencil brush. Now I do have or will have a video on the reverse canvas project that I did, but here in this video I wanted to see how do these stencils work. So I'm going to show you that. So here I just am stippling and just kind of determining, is the paint, you know, this is the very first time that I'm using this stencil, so I wasn't quite sure what to expect. I am very familiar with using stencils and painting, and you can kind of get a feel of if the stencil is a good product. And so I'm just continuing here, just stippling, and then it was taking me forever. I kind of sped this video up. And also then next I put it to the test and did the swirling motion of what I usually like to do. Now sometimes stencils cannot take the swirling motion because they will like flip up and you will get paint underneath the letter or whatever you're stenciling. But I can honestly say that these did not. They did not pick up when I was doing this swirling motion. And so A+ for that. Now I'm showing you here this part of it. To clean the stencil, it had black paint all over it, and I just ran it under water, and I left a little bit of the paint on there because I wanted to see how well it would come off with a baby wipe, and it did. It came right off, and so it is good as new. So if you want to, you can get all of the paint off. It comes off pretty good. It holds up very well. So here is my finished project. I will have another tutorial linked when I get that uploaded, and show you how I did that reverse canvas project. So your next question may be, how do I get these stencils? Well, lucky for us, they are on Amazon. They have a sale going on right now at the time of this video, and I'm showing you here. It has all of their stencils, and it has reviews and feedback and sizes and all of that. So check out Amazon. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much, Essential Stencils. for sending me the product and allowing me to review. I do recommend it. I do have it linked down below. You can find it on Amazon. I will have those links for you. Now, I only share product reviews of products that I personally use, and I do feel that my viewers would enjoy seeing some of those. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you all so much, and God bless.